buddies. Today we are building or rebuilding a treehouse for my son Joshua and my daughter Jillian. You know, it's more for Josh, but he'll grow out of it and it'll be Jill's, and then we'll paint it pink or something. And been trying to do some time lapse. Hopefully you guys like it. If you don't, then just X out. Just X out. Before you X out, leave a comment that says I hated it though, because I like those. Pretty thirsty. Pretty darn thirsty. Well, we're having a good time. Jillian, are you having a good time?
Yeah.
How are you doing on your crutches?
Good.
Good.
Just showed you.
Just showed me some walking, didn't you? Bark.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Well, I'll end this part, and then we'll just fade right on into the next scene.
For the pictures at the end, put this guy in the pictures at the end.
Alright, I will.
Yeah. Hey, buddies. Just showed you around. I like it.